Chapter 11 Yasya Jananam Tasya Maranam. It is our age-old tradition to preach moral through stories. On the basis of information of Sanskrit literature available today, it can be said that this tradition has started with Chatakmala of Aryastra. It contains stories of Lord Buddha's previous births. The theme of these stories is where and what auspicious things Buddha performed in his previous birth. Thereafter, many stories were written in Sanskrit and still it is going on. It is the peculiarity of Sanskrit stories that the name given to character signifies the work of quality of that character. In present story, there are two characters, Vittadasa, that is servant of wealth, and Kutnatha, that is master of frauds. Vittadasa is presented as greedy and Kutnatha as a person cheating anyone by his fraud. There is one maxim in Sanskrit, Lobha papasya karanam. Greed is the basic root of all sins. The present story explains how the greed causes harm by making one helpless to do unfair things. In the lesson, many adjectives and substantives, that is nouns, are used, which will be helpful to know the use of Visheshan and Visheshya. अस्ति वित्तदासो नाम प्रभुत्लोभः समृद्धः
कश्चित्
वणिज्जनः तस्य कुटनाथमिव वेश्य प्रातिवेशित आसीत्. There was a certain rich merchant named Viddas who was very greedy. He had a neighbor who was a merchant by the name Kutnath. एकदा कुटनाथेन चिन्तितं यदयं वित्तदासः धनिकोऽपि लुब्धो वर्तते, अतः केनापि उपायेन मया असौ वचनीयः. एवं विचार्य सः कुटनाथः एकदा वित्तदासस्य गृहमुपगम्य अकथयत्, भो श्रेष्ठे, अस्माकं बहवः कुटुम्बजिनः श्वः अतिथयः भविष्यन्ति. तेषामर्थे भोजनादि निर्माणाय कानिचित् पात्राणि कृपया मह्यं यच्छतु. परश्वः तानि प्रत्यर्पयिष्यामि. Once Kutnath thought, this Viddas is greedy in spite of being rich, so he should be deceived by me by any means. Thus thinking, Kutnath, once having gone to Viddas's house, said, O rich merchant, tomorrow many of our relatives will be our guests. Please give me some utensils for preparing, that is cooking, food, etc. For them I shall return them day after tomorrow. प्रातिवेशिक धर्म भावेन वित्तदासः कुटनाथाय पात्राणि प्रायच्छत. Viddas handed over the utensils to Kutnath with a sensibility of his duty as a neighbor. पात्रोपयोगावसाने कुटनाथः पात्राणि प्रत्यर्पयितुं वित्तदासस्य गृहमगच्छत्. ते पात्रे सह कुटनाथः अन्यानि कानिचित् लघूनि नुनतानि पात्राणि अपि तत्र स्थापितवान्. लघूना नुनतानां पात्राणां दर्शेन विस्मितः वित्तदासः कुटनाथं पृच्छत्, भो वयस्य, एतानि पात्राणि मम न सन्ति. कुटनाथः अकथयत्, मित्र, यानि पात्राणि भवता दत्तानि तानि मम गृहे रात्रौ प्रसूतानि. एतानि लघूनि नूतनानि पात्राणि भवतः पात्राणाम् अपत्यानि सन्ति. After the purpose, that is use, of the utensils was served, Kutnath went to Viddas's house to return the utensils. Kutnath placed some new small-sized utensils also with those utensils. Viddas, who was surprised by the sight of the new utensils, asked Kutnath, O friend, these utensils are not mine. Kutnath said, Friend, the utensils that were given to me by you gave birth to those in my house at night. These new utensils are the young ones of your utensils. अपत्य रूपेण नूतनानि पात्राणि संप्राप्य
वित्तदासः प्रसन्नः जातः.
Having got the new utensils as the young ones, Viddas was pleased. व्यतिषेतु कतिपयेषु दिवसेषु कुटनाथः
पुनरपि वित्तदासं
पात्रार्थं पार्थयत्. प्रदत्तेभ्यः पात्रेभ्यः अपि अधिकानां पात्राणां लाभो भविष्यति इति दुर्मत्या प्रेरितो विद्दासः तस्मै सर्वाणि इष्टानि पात्राणि दत्तवान्. When some days passed, Kutnath again requested Viddas for the utensils. Viddas, prompted by the wrong thinking, that there would be gain of even more utensils than the utensils given, gave him all the utensils that he, that is Kutnath, desired. व्यक्ति ते अपि एकमासे यदा कुटनाथः पात्राणीन प्रत्यपिर्त्रवान् तदा चिन्तामापन्न वितदाशः कुटनाथ गृहं गत्वा स्वकीयानि पात्राणि अयाचत्.
कूटनाथः सशोकम् अकथयत्.
भवतः सर्वाणि पात्राणि मृतानि. Even after a month passed, when Kutnath did not return the utensils, Viddas, who was worried, went to Kutnath's house and asked for his own utensils. Kutnath said with, that is, feigning dejection, all your utensils died.
वीतदासः कोपाविष्टः सन् अकथयत्.
एवं कथं भवेत्? भो वत्सक, त्वं मिथ्या वदसि. निर्जीवानां पात्राणां मरणं कथं सम्भवति? Being overcome with anger, Viddas said, how will it happen like this? O cheat, you are telling a lie. How is the death of inanimate utensils possible? कुटनाथः धैर्यमवलम्ब्य शान्तवत्सा आवदत्. महोदय, यदि पात्राणां जन्म भवति तर्हि तेषां मरणमपि भवति. पूर्वजातानि पात्राणि भवतः गृहे विलसन्ति. यानि पात्राणि भर्वदित्वा तदानी तानि मम गृहे मृतानि. तत्र अहं किं कर्तुं समर्थः? पश्य, जन्म भवति पात्राणां, मरणे संशयः कथं? जगति यत् समुत्पन्नं नश्यति सर्वथा ध्रुवम्. Kutnath, plucking up courage, said in a quiet manner, Great man, if the birth of the utensils can take place, even their death is likely to happen. The utensils born earlier are shining in your house. The utensils that had been given by you died in my house. What can I do in that matter? See, the birth of utensils takes place. How can there be a doubt about their death? In this world, whatever is produced, born surely gets destroyed.